Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys this product that I really love. I have it in my bathroom. My mom has it in her bathroom as well. It is an organizer that can be attached to the wall to keep things off the counters, and that keeps things organized however you want them. What I love about it is that it is pretty and it keeps things neat. I'm able to put out all my lotions so I know which ones I have. I used to have them stored in a box in a drawer, and it would just, I didn't know what I had, and when I tried to use it, I just used the same that I had over the counter, literally on the counter, the bathroom counter. So with this, I'm able to put everything I have out there, and I'm able to choose whichever fragrance I want for whatever day I want. So this is really neat. This is how it looks, and you can fit in anything, not just lotions. It's for the bathroom, so you can put in shaving creams, you can put in hand sanitizers, whatever you want to put in it. The options are limitless. You can put it in the bathroom, you can put it in the kitchen, maybe near the dispenser where you put things away. It is something that is beautifully made, and it's something that is sturdy. The only downside on this is that it was hard to attach to the wall, just because these little holes are right behind the prettiness of the structure of it. Other than that, it is neat. So once you go past that, everything's all right. So this is how I use it. I have my oils, I have my scrubs, I have my tanning lotions, my Victoria's Secret tanning, you name it. I like to have my Bath and Body Works spray there because I sometimes don't know what I want. Each day I want to put something different on, so this is what I do. I have them all in there, and what you can do is the bottom rack fits a lot more than the middle one. The middle one's more for shorter, and of course the top one you can put in however high the height it is. It doesn't matter, it will fit in there. I used to have my nail polish remover in there, but I don't anymore. I have it near my bedroom now. But yeah, that is how it looks in my bathroom. My mom has the same one in her bathroom, but hers is a 2-tier, so it's a little bit different than mine, because she has less things than I do. And I'll be showing you guys that in a minute. It's the same design, just in 2. See, she has her scope, she has other things in it, so it all depends on what you want to put in there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Rosie's Reviews. Check out my other videos, and make any suggestions, any comments. Give it a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Let me know if you like it or not. This product's definitely something that I recommend. I've had people come over to the bathroom and they're like, this is awesome, such a cute organizer. So definitely recommend this product to everyone. Hope this review has helped you guys. Talk to you soon.